If you've ever been involved in planning a paramotor and possibly other flight sports competition, you know that preparing the tasks, making the maps, evaluating the GPS data, and scoring can be quite a hassle. I had a chance to peek behind the scenes of several major events, and always there were different programs used to make the maps, to crunch the GPS data, and to evaluate the results. Not only does this create more room for error, but these tools often can't detect events like backtracking or dropping below minimum altitude, and they lack the ability to visualize flights on the actual competition map. Well, not anymore. Letovo is an all-in-one solution for preparing the competition maps, evaluating the GPS data, and exporting clear, easy-to-work-with stats to score. It handles all the scenarios mentioned earlier and much more. It is built as a plugin for open-source mapping software QGIS, making it easy to use even for less tech-savvy users, and adding a whole bunch of tools and features specifically tailored for use around the globe for flying competitions. I'm very excited about the result, and I could talk about it for hours, but for the sake of this presentation, here it is in a nutshell. With one click, you get the project set up and ready for the competition features. Turn points, corridors, gates, time gates, markers, airfields, restricted areas, altitude limitations, those are all just a few clicks away, easy to place and name, as well as various details useful to the pilots and the competition makers alike. There is a set of tools making it easy to lay out the maps on different paper formats, and even roadmap-style binding, and get them ready to be sent to the printer. The second part of Letovo is all about the action. You just download the GPS data from whichever logger you're using to a folder that's been automatically created for you. Letovo automatically loads and converts it to the correct projection. Then there is a list of all the tasks and their variations I could find. You choose a task type, select which features to check against, and optionally limit the evaluation to a specific time window or track segment, so it handles endurance competitions too. Select one track or a whole group, click Run, and in seconds, you have a nice and tidy Excel sheet with the names of pilots and all the data you could need for scoring, be it flight time, crossed gates, portion flown above the minimum altitude, no fly zone violations, gates crossed, declared time offsets, and more. I even created a little feature to make marking ground symbols or photos on the map fast, easy, and precise for large groups of competitors. Letovo hasn't been field tested yet. There is room for your requests, for changes, more features, and more tasks tailored to different sports. But it's already available for purchase at palmedia.cz/Letovo. Licenses are €175 per year. For more info or to get in touch, visit the site or leave a message in the comments.